Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with the very first sum of our partnership final account. As previously I have already explained you what is partnership, okay, and also we have completed with the specimens and format of partnership final account. So today we have also completed the adjustment, correct? So today we are going to start with the very first sum of your textbook. Now what I want you to do is just take out your digital textbook on your cell phone and I'll read out the question and I will go through it. Now the whole sum, I have divided it into 3 sections. I'll explain you what are the sections. The very first section will be of posting part. Okay, so in this section we will complete the posting. I'll send in another video where I will be completing only adjustments part. And the last section will be for the closing of all the accounts or tally, whatever we say. Okay, so let us start now. Now to be very okay, so the very first question in our textbook says Amit Bhai and Narendra Bhai are in partnership sharing profit and losses equally. From the following trial balance and adjustment given below, you are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March and balance sheet as on that date. Okay, so to start with, I will just like to tell you that what is the exact specimen you need to follow. So the very first thing we need to prepare is trading account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay, then next will be profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Then, as this is the new part for you people, this is partners capital account for the year ended 31st March 2019. This is we will learn how to do it. And last but not least, as usual, our balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2019. So without wasting time, we will start with the posting part. Now if you will look to your textbook, very first you will see there is plant and machinery. Okay, so we all know plant and machinery is an asset, so we will go to plant and asset side. So the very first element is plant and machinery, and we all know plant and machinery is an asset, so we will write it down in an asset side. Now very important point which I want to tell you, there are some amounts which I have write it on the inner side of the column, and there are some which I have given it outer side of the column. Okay, so the amount which I have written it inner side, they actually belong to the adjustment part. So whenever we will solve adjustment, that is why I have given them inside. Okay, so plant and machinery 2,80,000. Another thing, we have factory building, so there is an adjustment on factory building, so 75,000. Then next we have sundry debtors 28,700. Sundry debtors are also asset, so we will record it in asset side 28,700. There is an adjustment, hence the amounts needs to be written inside. Later on we have purchases. So now we all know that purchases is a part of our trading part, so we will record our purchases just below our opening stock. Purchases 85,500, correct? If you will move down to your sum, you will get bad dates. Okay, so now I have explained you that the bad dates or the RDD given in your trial balance actually belongs to the old bad dates and old RDD. So what I have done here, bad debts belongs to profit and loss account, correct? So you can go to profit and loss account, debit side, and I have written the formula here. Do you remember the ONO formula? ONNO. So the old bad debts is given 500 in the textbook, correct? Fine. I have made it new bad debts, new RDD and less old RDD. I have just prepared the format so that easily I can put up all amounts later on and solve my adjustment. Later you can see sales written. Okay, so sales written is given in the textbook, and I have just made it here. Sales, by sales I have put it up from the credit side, that is 1,80,000 and less written 2,200. So we will get the amount 1,77,800, correct? Now after sales written in the textbook you will find 10% government bonds. Now let me explain you, all types of government bonds or any investment is actually a part of asset. So we will go to asset size again and we will write here 10% government bonds 40,000. The adjustment is given because we have an hidden adjustment given in the textbook, so we will solve it. Then we have import duty. Now import duty is actually a part of trading account. Okay, so to import duty 1,800. Legal charges. Legal charges are actually administrative charges, so we will write it on profit and loss account, debit side, to legal charges 2,000 rupees. Then we have motive power. Now we all know that motive power is actually expenses which is being used in the factory. So it will go here in the trading account to motive power 12,000 rupees. Correct? Then again we have warehouse rent. Now warehouse rent is basically a rent given where you keep or store your all finished products, or you can say the semi-finished product. So basically it is an expense of profit and loss account. So to warehouse rent 1800 rupees. Correct? Now you okay, so another thing in the textbook you will find cash in hand and cash at bank. Okay, so we all know cash in hand and cash in bank are actually assets. So we will record it in the asset side, no adjustment. So amount will go directly outside. Then we have advertisement. Okay, and there is something written in the bracket. So this is known as a hidden adjustment. So advertisement is actually a administrative expense. We can record it in the profit and loss account. To advertisement 10,000 rupees, and I have written the amount inside so that I can solve the adjustment. Later we have salaries. So salaries is given 3,800. Amount is written inside because there is adjustment given down. And again we have rent. So to rent 1,500. There is an adjustment on rent. Hence the amount is written inside. If you will come to the okay, next we have drawings. Drawings of Amit Bhai and also drawings of Narendra Bhai. Now these drawings basically are done by partner. And as I told you that in 12th standard you will learn a separate account of partners. Okay, so drawings is always debit. So here you can see this is partners capital account. One side is debit side, the other side is credit side. Particulars Amit Bhai and Narendra Bhai. Particulars Amit Bhai and Narendra Bhai. So drawings basically come in the debit side. We will write here two balance brought down. 2,400 that is Amit Bhai's drawing and 3,200 that is Narendra Bhai's drawing. Correct? Now furniture. There is an adjustment on furniture and furniture comes in the assets part. So furniture 1,95,800, the amount is written inside. Next we have bills receivable. Bills receivables are again assets. So I will write it down. Bills receivable 20,700. No adjustment, amount will go outside. Freehold property. Freehold property is basically property which the owners own. So it is an asset. We will record it in the asset side. Freehold property 41,000. So here we have completed our debit side of our trial balance, I can say. Now moving on to the credit side, you can see the very first thing given in the credit side is capital account. So capital always have a credit balance, remember. So we will come to the partners capital account. Credit side, by balance brought down. The capital of Amit Bhai is showing 3,50,000 and the capital of Narendra Bhai is showing 3 lakh rupees. Then sales, already we have written sales here and we have also less the sales written. So 1,77,800. Perfect. Next you will find in the textbook bills payable. So what is bills payable? Bills payable is a liability. We will write it down. Bills payable 8,500. Discount. Okay, now discount given on the credit side, that means it is a discount received. So we will write it in profit and loss account. By discount 1,200 rupees. Next we have creditors. Creditors again are our liability. So creditors 38,500. Then we have RDD. RDD means reserve for doubtful debts. The RDD given in the trial balance actually is an old RDD. So what we are going to do? We have already placed our formula, correct? So we will write here old RDD 2,700. So our actually pattern is ready. Then we have bank loan. Bank loan again is a liability and it will come in the liability side. Bank loan 15,000 rupees. Last we have purchase return. So if you will come here in our trading account, purchases were 85,500. We have less written from it, that is 2,000. So 85,500 less 2,000 will give us 83,500. So up till here we have complete the whole posting of our sum. So I'll just upload another video for our adjustment part. Just go through it. Thank you.